phone shipyard goes like gong, 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 gong.
That's not you playing the video, right? That's,
No,
okay.
I'm currently recording.
You should trip in a second.
Oh yeah, that's phone shipyard. Oh, there's the horn. There it is. Oh, it has a. I wasn't expecting it to sound like that. I was expecting the what sound would sound like phone shipyard. Oh, it's probably it's honking at phone shipyard right now. Now it's gonna start honking at Minaker. It has a GS Type 3 E-Bell on it. Yep, I see it.
At least the front one is.
Oh yeah, the front one's double deck, but the rest are single deck. Why does that keep happening?
It's a double horn, you hear that?